Well, it's absolute white out now. Absolute white out.
Richard?
Yeah?
I remember when do you do YouTube videos?
Pardon?
What days do you do your YouTube videos?
Any day I want to put one up, you know. Oh, sorry. But, yeah, it's amazing.
Are you famous in YouTube?
Oh, I don't think so.
Out of the rain,
What's
boy.
your
Out of the
account?
rain. Come on, no.
What's your account?
Yeah, where's your shoes?
Richard Devon.
Richard Devon, yes.
It's all about life.
Yeah.
Richard, I watched one of your videos and I think you should explain what you're doing first. Forget to explain what you're doing.
Okay. Okay. Yes, we're mad on water in the driest state and the driest continent in the world.